everybody, it's me again. We're here at the Jersey. Well, actually at the Manasquan Inlet. We're in New Jersey again. It's let's say my favorite spot. And we're here at the railing, all the way out here. Let's see, that's my father. And let's see how we already caught some bait. I used the cast net, and I got a sundial. So that's what we're going to use for now. I'm using the same setup. Yeah, I'm using a Ugly Stick GX2 with a Daiwa PG 3500 and a 20-pound line, 2-ounce egg sinker to a leader of a 20-pound, and a 1/0 J hook. That's what we're going to use for the sundial this morning. So stay tuned. Okay, here we're back on, guys, and I got a sea bass over here. Well, this is on the small size though. Now they gotta be 13 inches to keep. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's the first catch of the day. Besides, my father caught a small sundial, so let him go. Bye. Okay, do another cast. And there we're getting another bite. We got another bite. Okay, I let go. He did let go. Probably another sea bass. I'm gonna check my bait if I still have bait or not. It seems not. It just robbed me of my bait. Alright, I'll put another spear in this hook. I don't have much spearing with me. I didn't know that was coming to this place, but yeah, let's give it a try for a bigger fish. Okay, and it's kind of deep in here. I wasn't expecting this place to be very deep. Not gonna let it like last time that I left it. Let it took my bait. Just took my bait last time. Po në qizon kjo, po falën gjithë saktë. Okay, we got another fish. We got another fish, guys. Probably another sea bass. Probably another sea bass. Oh yeah, that's another little sea bass. There we go. Okay, there we go, another sea bass. All right, little sea monsters. Sea monsters. All right, let's get the hook out of his mouth. And there you had it, guys. That's another sea bass here. I'm gonna let him go. Still little, probably like 7 inches. Okay, it's a rag in here. I'm gonna clean my hands. Okay, leave my soda here and get another bait. Huh? Ja, die. Dat wil je dan maar. Huh? Si? Këtu afër jo shumë. Hidhet i dhe mes kanalit po deshe. Provoje. Po i bie? Ania. Getting another bite. Okay, I think we have another one. I think so, I don't know. Not so sure. I was getting bites though. I was getting bites. We got another fish. Just an immediate hookup. Look at this sea monster right here. Little sea monster. Little sea monster. Another sea robin, guys. Oh, sea robin. What did I say? Sea robin. A sea bass. All right. Pretty. Okay. Let's get another one. I gotta. Getting bites already. Ah, I let go. It took my bait though. It did really took my bait. Okay. It took my bait. Okay. E ka ngecë aty, e dio. Okay, I'm gonna lay this rod right here. Dalej më këtëja. Hajde më këtëja. Okay, we got another bite. Oh, okay, we got another fish. There you go. Yeah. Little sea bass though. Little guys. Okay, beautiful, beautiful fish. Wish they were bigger. I wish they were bigger. Okay, my father has one over there. That's his first sea bass. So everybody else is fishing for tagi on this area. That's the first time I've been here, as a matter of fact. All right, my dad let him go. Little one, and I'm casting a little bucktail with a curly tail on it for could be like maybe a bass. I would love to catch a striped bass. Maybe a school of a bass will go by. I don't know. Nah, you see, like a half ounce. There we go again. Cast him up. Da zesta daí? Okay, my dad he's got a small sea bass. I think I have one too. Oh yeah, I got one too. He fought like a giant. He fought like a giant. That's a little nice sea bass though, probably 4 or 5 inches. Let's bait it up one more time. É mesmo? Got 2 strikes, no hookups. Okay. Oh, that's why. Okay. That's why I missed the fish. Tangled up like that. We definitely missed the fish. Definitely missed the fish. No doubt about it. Emir? Mori Mori. We do have it. We do have it. Okay, there he goes. Nice little sea bass. Very fat though. They got a fat belly. I don't know what they're eating, but they're eating good. He's got a fat belly in there. They're all that size though. Okay, let's another little bait. Are you hungry? I think you got it. I think you got my fish. dad said one more cast out there, and I'm gonna do one more cast too. So I was hoping to get one more. Still got the bait though. I still have the bait. The bite. Yeah, he took it. I'm not. Oh, there. My dad's got one. Okay. Oh, I still have the fish. I thought I didn't. I thought I didn't. So I'm gonna cast again. It's like 6-7 inches. Where's your mama, huh? The mama is Dipsy. Oh. Okay, we're gonna change spots, guys. This one only give us small sea bass, and I'm gonna try one more spot. Let's see what happens. I'll see you later. Peanut bunker. Yeah. Oh, look at this overcast. Marrëvesh të marrëvesh atë që thua, po kush e di, mund edhe të ketë. Unë tha se ishte ashtu e shed në fillim, tash çapo lëviz aty ja. Po. Nuk po e heq poshtë, po e heq lart.